Hey, denim lovers, got a favorite pair of jeans with a tear? Don't toss them. In this video, we're diving into a DIY denim fix patching those torn jeans at home. It's a simple, cost-effective way to extend the life of your beloved denim. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need your torn jeans, of course. A piece of denim fabric for the patch, scissors, pins, a needle, and thread. Choose thread that matches your jeans or a contrasting color for a unique look. You'll also want an iron and ironing board, and possibly a seam ripper to remove any frayed edges. Now, let's prepare the jeans. Turn them inside out and lay them flat. Assess the tear. Is it a small rip or a larger gash? This will determine the size of your patch. Cut a piece of denim fabric slightly larger than the tear. You want enough overlap to secure the patch. Next, place the patch over the tear on the inside of the jeans. Pin the patch in place, ensuring it covers the entire damaged area. Iron the patch to hold it in place and create a smooth surface. This will make sewing easier. Now, the fun part: sewing. Thread your needle and knot the end. Start sewing around the edge of the patch. You can use a straight stitch, a zigzag stitch, or even a decorative stitch, depending on your skill level and the look you want. If you're using a straight stitch, sew close to the edge of the patch, going all the way around. For a more durable patch, consider using a running stitch or a backstitch. These stitches are stronger and will hold up better to wear and tear. Make sure your stitches are close together to create a secure bond. When you reach the end of your sewing, tie off the thread securely and cut the excess. Turn your jeans right side out. You might have some loose threads or frayed edges. Trim them carefully with your scissors. You can also use a seam ripper to remove any unwanted threads. And there you have it. Your jeans are patched and ready to wear. This DIY denim fix is not only practical, but also a great way to express your creativity. You can use different fabrics, colors, and stitching styles to personalize your jeans and give them a unique look. So, the next time your jeans get a tear, don't fret. Grab your supplies and give this DIY method a try. You'll be saving money, reducing waste, and rocking a pair of jeans with a story to tell. Thanks for watching, and happy patching.